Are you too old to start riding? We're gonna dive into that question right now. Hey guys, I'm Sean from Srkcycles, and I've had this question asked me before. Am I too old to start riding? And I'm gonna give a real quick boilerplate answer because I don't know you. I'm gonna say no. You're not too old to start riding. We know people who've been riding they've been riding for a long time, but they're in their 80s and they're still riding. This is what I would say. If you want to start riding and you can pass the safety test, hey, you're good to go. Now, when you're picking a bike, pick something smaller, pick something lighter, pick something that you feel comfortable riding. It has something to do with age. So the biggest thing, the most important thing is just to choose the right bike, the proper bike for someone your age. Now, someone who's been riding a long time, we know a lot of riders who've ridden everything. They've been riding for the past 40 years, and the bike they're ending up on, when they're 60, 70, or 80, is something like a Bergman 400. That's very easy, it's light, it's very manageable, and it's automatic. But I think, and then there's also other stuff. There's also, like Can-Ams, and there's also other three-wheelers that can get you riding that eliminate all the extra stuff or the extra pressures of riding, weight and balance and stuff, and the added danger of it. So I think you can ride at any age, as long as the state you're living will allow you. Hope that answers your question. We'll see you guys later. Leave more questions down below. I'll try to answer them for you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by M1 Moto products. With the M1 Moto gloves, one of the only motorcycle gloves that's lined with Kevlar.